Good morning, everyone. Well, spring has sprung and we've got a few flowers and lots of exciting things going on the homestead. Take a look around. The way the original beds were, they were sloping in 3 directions and the soil was washing down, and I just wanted it to look better. And the great thing about the beds now are he has put together a patchwork of the original wood, leveled them. You know, I'm big on everything being level. And so it's more of a terraced garden now. We are widening the footpaths and narrowing the beds so that you can reach in without having to step in. This was always my concern with 8-foot square beds. So that is happening. I purchased wood this week. You'll see that. There's a local cedar mill, so I have cedar posts for the deer fencing, and I have a top rail of 2x8s to go around the raised beds. So it's going to be upcycled wood for part of the raised bed, and the top will be ringed in cedar, red Tennessee cedar, and I'm so excited. Justin dug these lettuces up out of one of the raised beds. They had come back. These are the plants I received from Growers Solutions on Thursday. These are the original radishes, and then I've got all these little radishes coming up. These are my potato bags. I haven't seen any sign of green yet. These are shallots and garlic, and I think I see a couple of things popping up. These are all of my new seedlings. This is their first introduction to sunlight, so I'm going to be very careful and not let them get too much. And these are the daikon radish. you? What are you? Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking the videos, and if you are a late bloomer like me, I hope you'll subscribe and tell your friends. And I look forward to seeing everyone in the next video.